Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, we are making trading sessions over here together. So you can learn some tips and tricks how to trade if you're a new trader or maybe you have some struggles. So it's gonna be really useful on your trading path. That's why you should like this video in advance, subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so you make sure that you don't miss my new videos. I will start with $200 on my deposit, and which means, guys, let's get started and start our trading session. So guys, today we are going to trade with you using a strategy based on technical analysis. And to help our technical analysis, we are going to use Weis Waves volume oscillator. This indicator will help us to see which volumes prevail on the market, to increase or decrease. And today we are going to find working situations and to try to work on them and make money. So this indicator is already connected to me. All the settings are left by default. It is located under the graph, looks like a green and red histogram. And the signal of this indicator is the moment when, for example, a green histogram begins to form. This situation tells us that the volumes are growing for increase, and this means that in the near future the price will move up. Also, when, for example, a red histogram is formed, it means that volumes are growing downwards. And in such situation, the price will move down. The indicator can also alternate between a green and red histogram. As a rule, this situation occurs when the price moves in a certain range. Also, the indicator generates similar situations when the price moves in the pro-trading zone. This means that the main movement up or down doesn't occur. There is a lateral movement. It is in such situation that the indicator forms a red and green histogram. So guys, be sure to watch this video till the end. I think there will be different situations on our trading today. You'll be able to see how I work with this indicator and using my own strategy. Maybe you will like this method and you will use in your own trading. So yeah, maybe you will be able to make a really good profit. So guys, let's start and find the first situation in the market. Here we see that there was a good confident downtrend. Also, after touching the support level, there was an upward pullback, and after the pullback, the price turned around and moved down. Also, the overall price potential is going down. So in this situation, I will open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. I think that in the near future, after the pro-trading zone, the price will continue to move to the level, since the price has also good potential for going down. 2 minutes also will take with a margin, take into account possible pro-trade or roll back up. I think that taking into account all these movements, 2 minutes will be quite enough for us, since the price has been moving down quite confidently lately, and since the price is now moving in the pro-trading zone. We don't see a signal from the indicator as such. Well, as I said earlier, any indicator is an auxiliary tool of technical analysis. Therefore, first of all, we conduct technical analysis and only then we use the hints of the indicator. Exactly in this situation, I see a really good trading situation, and that's why I open a deal, even though this indicator hasn't yet given us a clear signal to go down. But I think that in the near future, the price will continue to move to the level. The indicator will also begin to form a red histogram. So friends, let's wait for the result. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price really left the pro-trading zone and continued to move towards the level. This is where we make a profit. Also, the indicator really began to form a red histogram, that is, volumes begin to grow downward and the price continue to move down. In this situation, we can say we worked a little ahead. I can afford it because my experience allows me to do that. And for example, for beginners, it would be worth waiting for the exit from the trade to occur when a clear downward movement begins. At the same time, a red histogram would begin to form, and as such, the beginner could open a deal for going down. As you can see in this scenario, this transaction would also come with a profit, since the price is moving down quite confidently and this level also has been broken. So guys, I hope this situation is understandable. So let's continue. Here at the bottom, we have a support level. We also see that after touching the level, there was an upward pullback, and after the pullback, the price turned around and is approaching our level again. Let's open a deal here for 2 minutes to go down because we see that the overall price potential is also going down. There's a certain compression of the support level, also red histogram is formed at the same time. This means that the volumes are growing downwards. In the near future the price will move down. Just at the moment we see that the good confident red candles are beginning to form, so I think in this situation 2 minutes will be quite enough for us. It is quite possible this level will be also broken in the near future. So guys, let's wait for the result. Alright guys, that's good result. As you can see, the price continued to move down, the level was broken, and here we get a gorgeous confident profit. 2 minutes was just enough for us. Also the indicator in turn gave us a really good entry point and help us to determine the further price movement. So guys, everything is going great. Let's continue. Here we have a level of support. We also see that there was a good confident downtrend. After touching the level, there was an upward pullback, and after a while the price turned around, and in this situation it's just opening a deal for 2 minutes to go down. I think that in the near future the price will continue to move towards the level. Since the price here also has an excellent potential for going down, we also see that the red histogram begins to form at the same time. Just at the moment there was a certain attenuation, the price is moving in the pro-trading zone, but I think that in the near future there will also be an exit from this zone and the price will continue to move to the level. So guys, let's wait for the result. Oh, that's great guys, as you can see the price really continued to move towards the level. This is where we make a profit. This situation worked fine, so guys, let's continue considering that situation on the market. Here we have a resistance level. We also see that at the moment the price has gone beyond our level. There is a breakdown. Let's open a deal for 1 minute to go up. I think that in the near future this level will be fully broken. The price will continue to move up. We also see that the green histogram has been mainly formed here lately, which means that volumes are growing for increase. In the near future the price should move up. I hope that in 1 minute will be enough for us. So guys, let's wait for the result. Alright guys, the price continued to move in the pro-trading zone for some time, but in any case it continued to move up. The closing point of our deal turned out to be higher than the opening point, which means we are getting profit. Anyway, this level was still broken through, the price is fixed above. Also this indicator again suggests us a very good entry point. Let's continue guys. Here we have a level of support. In this situation, let's open a deal for 1 minute to go down. There is a good confident downward movement. The main price highs are getting lower. The price is approaching the level. We also see that a red histogram is being formed. There is a very little space left before the level. I think that in this situation 1 minute here will be quite enough. So guys, let's wait for the result. Well guys, it's not bad. As you can see, the price slowed down a bit, but still it continued to move towards the level. We managed to work with you on this downward movement. Also the indicator again suggested us a good entry point. So guys, everything is going perfect. Let's continue considering that situation in the market. Here we have a level of support. We also see that after the pullback the price has reached our level. There's a kind of compression. Let's open a deal for 1 minute to go down. I think that this level will be broken in the near future because the price has an excellent potential for an increase. Also at the same time we see that the red histogram is being formed. This means that the volumes are growing downwards. Just at the moment we see that the price is already starting to go beyond our level. I think that we will have time to work on breaking through the support level. I hope that 1 minute will be quite enough here. So guys, let's wait for the result. Oh great guys, the price continued to move down and we are making profit here. This indicator turned out to be right again. The price broke through the support level and fixed under it. Meanwhile, I already have $4,000 on my deposit. I propose to open another last deal for today, so give me some time. I'll search for some interesting situation. We'll continue. Here we see the resistance level. We also see that the price has reached our level and is already starting to break through it. Let's open the deal for 1 minute to go up. I I think that in the near future this level will be fully broken. The price will move up because the price also has an excellent potential for going up. At the same time, we also see that the green histogram is beginning to form, and this means that in the near future, the price will move up, volumes are growing for increase. Also at the same time, we see that at the moment a good confident green candle is beginning to form. Perhaps we will get into the very impulse movement of the price upward, into the very breakdown of the level. So I hope the time will be enough. Let's wait for the result. Well guys, that's quite good. The price continued to move up and we managed to close our deal with a profit. 1 minute was just enough for us. We managed to work with you precisely to break through the resistance level. We also see that after the breakout there was a pullback down. The price has entered the correction zone. Also the indicator turn again suggests us a very good entry point. So guys, I already have $6,738 on my deposit. So I suggest we end here because I fulfill my trading plan for today. So I just fix the profit and leave the market. That's it for today. Just as you might notice that some situations are similar to each other, which means that you can periodically meet them on the market. So if you want, you can always find them and trade on them. Well done for watching this video. Don't forget that practice makes perfect, and if trading still struggle for you or something that you don't understand, you shouldn't worry, just train and trade. That's how you're gonna accumulate your own experience and get a success. So guys, if you want to boost your trading experience, I have a closed group where I'm sharing trading signals for free. To get into this group, super easy, text me code word signal on my Telegram. I left the link down below. And also guys, don't forget to put a big thumbs up to this video if you didn't put it yet. Also subscribe to this channel because here we always have trading sessions, both in long term and short term, which you can find on my YouTube shorts. So check content there, and I'm sure you will always find something useful for you. I wish you to have a successful trading. See you in the next video. Bye bye.